Hey, I'm Tay, and this is behind the scenes of my outdoor photoshoot for God of War figures. This is my friend first. This is Kratos, and this is Atreus. First is my old friend and big fan of God of War series, and when he got his figures, we decided that they deserve a great photoshoot. This video was supposed to be some kind of top 10 tips for outdoor toy photography, and I failed to make it. But anyway, I believe it's still somewhat enjoyable. I always start with an idea, and I got 3 of them for this photoshoot. And yeah, my phone can't spell Kratos. Next, I made a list of all things I need for this photoshoot. And after that, I made those things that I didn't have yet, like chicken drumsticks. Next, I recommend to sketch a storyboard if you have 3 or more photos. It helps a lot in the process. And that were all the preparations I had before the photoshoot. Please enjoy the actual behind the scenes.
Okay. Мне неудобно в кармане. Я пока снимаю всё равно.
Notice how high we are. Please be careful and don't climb any high places if you are not sure it's safe.
Я не для этого во Вьетнаме воевал! Дрочь небось. Надо, чтобы тебя Патрик смотрел. В анус. Ну, я могу ее не вставлю. Так, а разве у тебя нету с ножкой? Не, это, ну... У меня нож, если что, есть. О, не вставила, спасибо. Я гений. А, я понял. Не, вот так хорошо. Знаешь что, не хватает, короче.
Топор в курочку.
Так, и больше мы просто ничего не брали. По-моему, да.
So, thanks to my friend first for bringing his figures, thanks to my girlfriend Tachi for always helping me, and thanks to you. Bye.